Hello, buds. Osage Bagger here. I'm on my way to work. Super windy day today. They said that we're supposed to have gusts up to 40 miles per hour.
Mine gone. 7 states is just enough to kill all the plans and the things we held. Detach yourselves and make this hell.
I'm running late for work, but it should still be a good day. I have a package coming in. My new S&S intake is supposed to be in today, so I'm pretty pumped about that. So I just have to make it through the day until about 4:30, and then I can finally put that thing on. It's only been like 3 weeks since I ordered it. Yeah, so I ordered it from JAP Cycles because they're based out of Fort Worth, or like the one that I get my stuff from is from Fort Worth and the warehouse. And for some reason with this, it had to come from New York. And then on top of that, they had like extra delay from when they could get it shipped. And then on top of that, it was delayed even further because of civil demonstration. So it was supposed to get here, I don't know if it's yesterday or the day before, but it was delayed. So I don't know. Hopefully it actually gets in today. If it does, I'll be putting it on today. I'll be so excited. It's been like I don't know, like 300 degrees already. So I've been riding, but it's just I've been sweating my ass off. I got a couple burns from working on some bikes and stuff, but yeah. So anyway, if I don't blow away here, then you will see me in about 9 hours. Well, I'm off work. I know I don't sound too happy. It's technically 10 hours later. I lied to you guys. I'd like to start off by apologizing for lying. It's not like me. I guess there was like a whole bunch of networking issue with some internet companies nationwide today. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, long story short, it prevented me from going home. So now I'm technically on call for work at 5 o'clock. I gotta get home. I want to work on the bike, get the intake on. I also gotta watch a movie for my podcast, which we're gonna do tomorrow. There's an old dude in front of me staring. Take a picture. It'll last longer, Whitebeard. I'm just saying, this guy in front of me is in a convertible. He needs to be speeding. I know we're stuck in traffic, but he was not speeding back there. Anyway, I'm gonna get home. I'm gonna put it on, and we'll talk to you all turkeys in a minute.